In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Chrome side panel and how to turn on the reading list inside it step by step. This is a super handy feature if you want quick access to saved pages, bookmarks, and pages you plan to read later without opening a bunch of tabs. It's a simple trick, but once you know where to find it, it can make browsing so much easier and a lot more organized. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Chrome tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're using the desktop version of Chrome because the side panel feature is built into the browser itself. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three dots menu, sometimes called the More menu. Click that menu to open Chrome's main options. From the list that appears, hover over or click on Bookmarks and Lists. This is where Chrome keeps several of its saved browsing tools. After that, click Reading List. This will bring up the Reading List section, which is part of the side panel area in Chrome. If you don't see it right away, look for the option that says Show Reading Lists and click it. That will make the reading list visible so you can start using it. Once it's open, you'll be able to view pages you've saved for later and keep track of things you want to read without losing them in a sea of tabs. The Chrome side panel is especially useful if you like to save articles, research pages, or tutorials and come back to them later. It keeps everything neatly in one place so you can stay focused and browse more efficiently. If you want to make this even more useful, you can use the reading list alongside your bookmarks to separate important sites from things you just want to read later. That makes your browser feel much more organized and easier to manage. And that's it. You now know how to use the Chrome side panel and how to show the reading list in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Chrome tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.